Good morning, children. How you all? Hope you all fine, ma. Okay, in the previous class we completed exercise 14. Now I'm going to start exercise 15, children. Okay. In the exercise 15, first one. Rupees 9 rupee 50 paisa plus rupees 12 rupee 50 paisa equal to rupees how much? See what the symbol was given between two amounts 950, 9 rupee 50 paisa and 12 rupee 50 paisa. Between that they given the symbol plus. Plus means addition. So add rupees paisa. 9 rupee 50 paisa, 12 rupee 50 paisa. Right. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Next 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 1 plus 1, 2. So how many rupees it is? 22 rupees. How much rupees it is? 22 rupees. See the second one. Expand 52 tens. What is 52 tens among 520? Expanded notation of that number 520. They are asking us to write. What is 52 tens? 520. Write the expanded notation of that number 500 plus 20 plus 0. No need to write this 0 also. If you write also it's not wrong. Okay. So the third one, 78 into one number equal to 78. Listen. If we multiply any number, whatever the number they given, if we multiply any number with 1, we will get the same number. What is that? 1. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 1, 3. 4 into 4, 4. That means we are multiplying any number with 1, we will get the same number. Fourth one. 9,000 plus 300 plus 100 plus 8 equal to 9,308. They are asking us to write is it true or false. They only given one question and answer. They are saying that question is question is equal to answer or not. Right? True or false. First add the given number. What they given for us? What is it? 9,000, 300s and 100 at last 8. Right. Add and write 8. 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 1, 4 and 9. 9,408. 9,408. But here they given 9,318. Is it correct? No, it's a false statement. It's a false statement. Okay, children? What the answer we got? 9,408. But what the answer they given? 9,318 children. So it's a false statement. Okay. See the next one in that. Fifth one. 8,030 is 8,000 and 13 is they are asking us to write that numeral 8,013 ones, tens, 100,000, 8,000 and 30 not at given hundreds place children put 0. 30 means 1 B. See the sixth bit. 1948 minus 1740 equal to how much? See. What is it? 1948 minus 1740. 8 minus 0, 8. 4 minus 4, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. So what left? 208. What left? 208. What the symbol they given for us? Subtraction symbol. 1948 minus 1740. 8 minus 0, 8. 4 minus 4, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. So answer is 208. See the seventh one. 4 dozens. What is it? 4 dozens. Dozen means how many units, children? 12 units. 1 dozen means how many units? 12 units. 1 dozen means 12. 1 dozen means 12 units. They are asking us to write the 4 dozens. 4 dozens. 4 into 12. 4 12s. Read out the 12 table, children. 12 ones 12, 12 twos 24, 12 threes 36. I'll write here. 12 ones 12, 12 twos 24, 12 threes 36, 12 fours 48. Write there 48. 48 units. How many units are there? In 4 dozens, 48 units. How many dozens are there in 12 dozens? 4 dozens? 48 units. See the 8th bit in that. 12 more than 12 more than 988 equal to how many hundreds? 12 more than means addition. That means to 988 you have to add 12. Yes, na? So add 988 plus 12. 8 plus 2, 10. Again 8 plus 2, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. So how much it is? 1000. They are asking how many hundreds are there in that 1000. How many hundreds are there in that 1000? That means 1000 by 100. 1 0 1 0. Get cast next to second 0 second 0. How much left, Amma? 10. That means 10 hundreds make a 1000. 10 hundreds make a 1000. How many hundreds are there in that? In 1000? 10 hundreds. How many hundreds are there in 1000? 10 hundreds. See the 9th one, children. 12 sets of 5 plus 12 equal to blank into 9. See the question. 12 sets of 5. What is meant by 12 sets of 5? 12 sets of 5 means 12 into 5. 12 fives are how much, children? Already I told you 12 ones 12, 12 twos 24, 12 threes 36, 12 fours 48, 12 fives 60. It's not here 12 fives plus 12. What is 60 plus 12, Amma? 0 plus 2, 2, 6 plus 1, 7, 72. They are asking 72. This 72 equal to blank into 9. That means in 9 table when it comes 72. In 9 table 72. When it comes, children, read out the 9 table again. I will write here. 9 ones 9. 9 twos 80. 9 threes 27. 9 fours 36. 9 fives 45, 9 6 54, 9 sevens 63, 9 eights 72, 9 10, 9 nines 81, 9 tens 90. So in that, how many times it goes in 9 table, children? 8 times. 9 eights 72. So how you will write as 72 blank into 9 they given now? How many times? 8 nines, that's 72. 8 nines, that 72. See the 10th one, children? They given 2 clocks in 10th one. See that some, children? 2 clocks was given for us. 10th one. See that. First clock is showing 3 o'clock. First clock is showing 3 o'clock. First class is showing how much, Amma? 2. Second clock was given. What is that second clock? It is showing see the second clock. First clock is showing 3 o'clock and the second clock is showing 8 o'clock. 3 o'clock and the second clock is showing 8 o'clock. They are asking us how many hours are there between these 2 hours. What are these two hours? 3 o'clock, 8 o'clock. How many hours are there between these two? How many hours are there between these two timings? What is the time was given first one? 3 is at 3 short hand at 3 and long hand is at 12. So it is 3 o'clock here. Short hand is at 8 and long hand is at 12. So it is 8 o'clock. How many hours are there between 3 and 8? This is the question asked us. Okay. How many hours? 3 after what the hour will come 3 after? That means what number will come after 3? We have to get 3 hours. So 3 hours after what will come? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many hours? 5 hours. What are the? Write the numbers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 to 4, 1 hour. 4 to 5, 1 hour. 5 to 6, 1 hour. 6 to 7, 1 hour. And 7 to 8, 1 hour. Total how many hours are there? They are asking. Add these numbers. 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many hours totally? 5 hours. How many hours totally, children? 5 hours. What is that? 5 hours. See, once again I will tell you how many hours this first clock showing? 3 hours. And the second clock showing 8 hours. How many hours are there between 8 o'clock? 3 o'clock, 8 o'clock, these clocks are showing and they are asking us how many hours are there between these two timings. So 3 after, what will come? 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, clock comes. Yes or no? So 3 to 4, 1 hour, 4 to 5, 1 hour, 5 to 6, 1 hour, 6 to 7, 1 hour, 7 to 8, 1 hour. Total how many hours are there? This is the question. So how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. Total how many hours? 5 hours. So like that we can find the number of hours between two timings. Okay, children? In the next class I will continue next exercise, that is exercise 16. Okay, children? Till then, goodbye. Take care.